Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we take a look inside of Record of Ragnarok Season 1 on Blu-ray. So before we get started, it came with a poster, which is this, like that. And then it also came with some, manga recommendations and stuff. The JoJo's, Shuriken, and Ragnarok, of course. And then here is the cover. And then the spine. And then the back, which we'll zoom in here. And there. And then there's the other spine. Take the slipcover off, you get a little more of the same. Sorry about the glare and all that. And then the back again. And then you open it up and you get disc 1 and disc 2. So this has been Record of Ragnarok Season 1 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.